What's going down, everybody? So check it out, dude. I went and saw DIY Dad today and got an update on the '06 Acura TL with a 3.2 liter V6 Vtech. So he told me that it runs better, man. So it runs smoother, accelerates smoother, and that was kind of the purpose behind cleaning the throttle body. Now, what he also said was that about every other day or every 2 days, it does like a reset or a relearn on it. And he said it drops down real low, but then it doesn't act up. But the acceleration is still smooth and steady, which is a good thing. That's what we're talking about. That was one of the reasons why we cleaned the throttle body. Now, with the other problem, I feel like the computer chip or whatever's inside there is acting up. So he's looking at getting another one. We're just gonna go ahead and replace it all together. We both believe it's the original one on the car. And as you've seen, it's almost at 300,000 miles. So that thing has definitely seen a better day. As a matter of fact, the one on the '03 Ram only lasted me about 300,000 miles before I got the red lightning bolt and had to change it out. So I wanted to give this quick update, man. Somebody dropped me a comment, was curious, and that's what's up. So we will be getting into a throttle body swap on that car, and then that'll be what's up whenever he gets it. So with all that, man, keep living the dream, doing your thing, like and subscribe. Always hit your boy up with a comment, and I'm gonna catch you later.